Okay, so to correct what I said before, I said that it was a 4-inch slope, but on the roof plan it actually says that it's a 3-inch slope. You can find that right here. So thank you, Daniel, for calling that out. See that, guys? It's really hard to see, unfortunately, but it's a 3-inch to 12-inch slope. Okay, so we're going to adjust that, and then I'm going to show you how to bring that roof down, and then we're going to finish off that envelope on the second floor. So let's go back into the 3D view. I'm going to hit Edit Footprint, select all 3 of these, and just change that to 3 inches. Okay, and the beef that I had with it before, whoops, yeah, that's good. The beef that I had with it before was that this is calling out 4 feet 1.5 inches to the underside of that eave at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is actually just lower that whole roof. Well, the nifty thing is, I don't have to, like if you select the roof, right, it shows a base level that it's defined by, that's roof level. And it also shows, well, actually, hang on a moment. So there are a number of things that you guys will need to troubleshoot during this process. Okay, so one of them is like, well, what if I drew it in the wrong view, right? Which is what you're talking about, Nafi. If you drew it in the wrong view, what's going to happen is the roof itself might look, sort of similar. Like I'm going to switch it to, let's say I was viewing the second floor when I drew it. Okay, so it looks like that on the second floor. You guys can't really see that. Hang on, let me pull it up. So it looks like that on the second floor. The way that you change that, and if you're looking at it in 3D view, right, it's like that. It's like in the middle of your building. All you have to do is change the floor that it's associated with. And then it's as if you drew it in the proper view. So I drew it in the roof plan view, which is this. So I need to, I originally did, I switched it to the second floor view. But up here in the base level, if I need that to be associated with the roof plan, I just select roof. And then once I refresh it, it goes out there. Okay. The other thing that you guys will need to troubleshoot, and everybody should be paying attention to this one, is the top termination of each of the walls. Okay. I, as a default, always hit no. I don't let it automatically connect walls to my ceilings or to my roofs and floors and stuff like that. Okay, it's a control thing. If you let it do it automatically, I guarantee you there will be walls that you don't want to connect that will connect. Promise you. So all you need to do is just select the walls that you want to have associated with it. And it is definitely a manual exercise, but it's fine. So select all of those. Then go to, I don't know where it is in this view. There we go. Attach top to base, and then select the roof, and those will attach. And then select all of the walls down here that you want to have associated with the front side of the building. And that includes this. Oh, that's already attached. And then attach top to base and select that roof. Okay. So now you've got the roof plane that's connecting the second floor and the higher level of the first floor down here in this little wing. But you guys have a back wall here on the building that's really not at all masked out the way the building should look. So what I want to do is show you that those walls are currently not associated at all with any top constraint, and they default to 20 feet, which is much too high. So we're going to set all of the exterior walls along the back of the building to have a top constraint of the second floor. And then we're going to add an overshoot of like 3 feet to start with. Okay, so that looks like this. I'm going to select, well, this wall actually needs to be broken. All right, let's go back down to the first floor for a moment. Okay, so first floor is actually, sorry, go to second floor. This is our second floor wall. So basically, if you look at this wall, we want no second floor wall on this side, and we want to see a parapet on the other side. So we need to split that wall. So do you guys remember where the split command is up there? Split element, SL is the hotkey for it. So click that. Make sure the dotted line shows left to right. If it doesn't show left to right, tab, and it'll switch. Just keep tabbing. There you go. So now we've got a separate wall here and a wall on the outside. So this wall, guys, I want you to take this wall and the other interior walls associated there that need to not show up. So let's just start with these three for now. We'll fix the rest later. We're going to change up there in the properties menu, the top constraint right here. See how it says unconnected and 20 feet? We're going to change this to second floor or level 2. And since our floor assembly is 12 inches, we're going to say -1 foot. Is that clear? So that way, if I change my floor level, the top height of that element will move with it. Clear enough? So once I move my mouse out, it grays out, and that's going to be kind of invisible. So the other question on the table about troubleshooting visibility and stuff was, how do I not see things from the first floor? Okay, so that's a visibility setting in the view. So since we're on the second floor plan, we can turn off first floor by scrolling down in the view, where is it? There we go. Underlay. Okay, so that's it says range base level, range top level. I want you to turn off base level to none, and that turns off the whole first floor. Cool? All right.